How to tie a tie easy way instruction. If you want to tie your tie quick and easy, please watch this step-by-step tutorial. In this video you will learn most popular necktie knot in the world, Windsor knot. Good luck for everyone.
One. Cross the wide end over the narrow from left to right. 2. Cross the wide end under the narrow end in the loop between the tie and the collar of your shirt. 3. Then bring the wide end back up to the center, through the neck loop, and down to the right. 4. Pass the wide end under the narrow one from left to right. 5. Bring big end up and around from left to right.
6. Now pass it through the neck loop one more time and pull through to the left. 7. Bring the wide end over the knot you created, from left to right. 8. And then bring it up under the piece around your neck, covering the front of the knot completely. 9. Pass the wide end through the space between the knot and the portion of the tie covering it. 10. Pull the tie all the way through. Center the dimple and tighten. That's it. Take a look at the final look. A classic knot, and one of the most common. This knot is a favorite of style icons like Sean Connery's James Bond and Tom Ford. Wear it with a more traditionally tailored, non-skinny suit and tie combo. It's also a good knot to use with a spread collar.